guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nwosuellah, and here on this channel I do vlogs and I do all things YouTube related, which includes tips, tricks and strategies to help you grow on YouTube, us grow on YouTube, because that's my aim, for us to grow together. I post new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, sharing vlogs and everything YouTube related. So if this looks like something you'll be interested in, be sure to subscribe down below and we could get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nwosuellah, and as you can tell from the title of this video, you'll be learning to add music to your iMovie. Yeah. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the best upload time for video. I'll be sharing with you guys 10 things to do before starting a YouTube channel.
So I decided to take Monster for the first time. Monster.
In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the tools to get started off on YouTube.
Okay, so this is like the end of the video. Hope you really enjoyed